In this short Robpod tutorial, you will learn how to use HMI charts to display data collected in your robot program. Inside Robpod Studio, open the HMI editor and add a chart component. Resize and place the chart as you like. Choose the chart type that most suits your need. For this application, we will use a time series chart. You can change the graphical appearance of the chart. For example, you can choose a transparent background and display the chart legend. Also, you can add a title to the chart and change its color and size. Now let's set up the data to be displayed. Edit the first data series. Set a label and a default value. Specify the name of a variable in your program for which you want to display the value in the chart. You can also specify directly a function call to retrieve the value. In this case, we are reading the forces applied on the tool. Repeat the same procedure for all the values you want to display in the chart. If you wish, you can change the color used to display the data series. For each data series, remember to specify the correct variable type. We are using float as variable type in this example. To provide a better visualization, in the time series chart you can enable the smooth data option to automatically interpolate data in the series. Now everything is ready to deploy the application on the robot. Transfer the HMI file to the robot controller using the synchronization button. Now on the robot teach pendant, open the task editor and add a Robpod HMI command to the task. Select the HMI you want to display. Finally, everything is ready to run the robot task and see the HMI chart in action.